pool area on top. See the beach, Tel Aviv Beach. It's about 8:30 in the morning. Weather not so hot, not so cold. Okay lang. So you can see people already taking swim at the beach. Kami naman, we're here at the pool area. So, chillax lang, chillax. Hindi, masisira ang ulo ko dito. Puro sa meeting. Wala kang katapos ang meeting. Meeting dito, meeting lang. So, that's Tel Aviv for you. Nice place. Traffic. Parang nasa Manila ka. Pero, okay lang. Not so bad. So, what do you say? Ayos ba?